In Microsoft OneNote, we can also draw. Drawing in the sense highlighting some of the text or circle like this. If you like to do, we can go to draw here, draw option. Okay. Here you can select the color of your pencil or a pen. You can say color and thickness of the pencil or pen you can select. Okay, which color you require. Select that particular color and which thickness you would like to get. That particular brush thickness you can select and you can say okay. Then you can start draw like this. Okay, to highlight or to draw anything. Okay, you can start drawing the like a paint. How you are using in a paint, you can use here also. Okay, this is about how to use a drawing. For example, if you like to highlighter, not pen, you like a highlighter in the thickness, right? You will be having a highlighters. Select and you can highlight like this. Okay, like this you can utilize the highlighter or a pen drawing here. Okay, then if you like to erase them, you can use the eraser here. Small eraser, medium, large erasers are available. You can select a erase. Okay, you can start erasing like a how you are using a pen, pencil and eraser, you can use like that. Okay, how you are using a in a regular life. Okay, then if you like to select back to your normal thing, you have to go to type. Okay, here object is a type text, in the sense come back to a typing. Okay, if you selected a pen, if you like to come back to typing, you have to select this one. Panning hand is nothing but to move your page up and down. To move your page like this, we'll be using a panning hand. We can select like this. Even you can also use the some of the predefined shapes are the lines, squares, okay, graphs. Okay, you can use these things also to draw your line like this, increase degrees. You can do your own way. You can utilize the shapes also. Okay, you can utilize the rotation to make it rotate object. Okay, any object you inserted, if you like to rotate, you can use this one. If you like to delete, you can select and hit a delete here. The one more interesting tool available, that is nothing but a ink to math. Ink to math is nothing but, for example, you are writing a mathematical equation. Okay, you don't want to here insert equation option. At that particular time, you can write it here itself. Ink to math, select that one. You write it whatever you think. For example, a plus b is equal to c, I would like to write. Okay, a plus, okay, b equal to c. If I say square here, see square. Okay, a1, if I say here, it will take a1, b1. Okay, if I say divided by, see, d1, like this. Okay, if I have a bracket, like this I can have a bracket. Okay, like this we can use any of them. Okay, like this you can write your formula, then you can say insert. You can say insert. If you like to erase any of thing, okay, you can take here eraser and you can say erase this one. Again I will go to write d2. Okay, like this we can write the formula here. In terms of your own handwriting you are writing, it will be converted into a standard text. Then we say insert, it will be inserted. No need to worry about inserting an equation and all. Okay, if you know the equation, you can start writing yourself by using a ink to math option. These are the some of the interesting options available in a OneNote. Make your noting process easy and fast.